Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. So guys, actually there are not direct method you can do. This I have the method indirect guys. All you have to do is to withdraw, and then what you have to do, click on withdraw and send money. You should send money address to MonPay. This is MonPay. You should sign up with MonPay. And from MonPay guys, you can send money through your bank to your bank account through MonPay. So guys, the first step you need to do, send money from Bitget to MonPay. Enter your amount to do, for example, Sol. Write your address, withdraw address. You should count the address from here, for example this Bitcoin or something exchange. Copy this address from MonPay and then copy address, paste here, and then after that you will receive money on MonPay. After that, transfer your money to your bank account without any problems. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.